1. Hugging Face Reachy Mini Robots, Open Source AI Desktop Robots for Developers. 2. Hugging Face Reachy Mini, $299 Open Source AI Robot Unboxing and Review. 1. Hugging Face Reachy Mini Robots, Open Source AI Desktop Robots for Developers. Hugging Face is making waves in the AI and robotics community by opening orders for its innovative Reachy Mini desktop robots, sparking excitement among developers eager to explore hands-on AI robotics. But here's where it gets interesting. These are not just any robots, they are designed with open source principles, inviting creators worldwide to customize and expand their capabilities. On Wednesday, Hugging Face officially announced that the Reachy Mini robots are now available for purchase. These compact devices first appeared in prototype form back in May, showcased alongside a larger humanoid robot called hobbyists. The Reachy Mini is crafted specifically to fit on your desktop, about the size of a typical stuffed animal, complete with 2 expressive screens for eyes and a pair of antennas to give it character. There are 2 models to choose from, tailored to different user needs. The Reachy Mini Wireless version costs $449 and operates independently, powered by a Raspberry Pi 5 mini computer. The more budget-friendly Reachy Mini Lite comes in at $299 but requires connection to an external computing device to function. Both models arrive as kits, meaning you'll get to assemble your own robot, a feature that encourages learning and personal involvement. Once assembled, these robots are fully programmable using Python, making them accessible to developers of all skill levels. Each comes preloaded with demo programs and is tightly integrated with the Hugging Face Hub, a vast open-source machine learning platform offering over 1.7 million AI models and more than 400,000 datasets. This connection allows users to easily implement complex AI capabilities right out of the box. Clem DeLange, Hugging Face's CEO, shared insights with TechCrunch about why the company decided on offering 2 versions. Feedback from early testers was a key driver, such as a memorable moment when a tester's 5-year-old daughter wanted to carry the robot around the house, highlighting the appeal of portability. DeLange believes many users will want that same freedom. Our goal is to continue gathering diverse feedback from our community, because Hugging Face has always built its offerings organically alongside its open-source user base, DeLange explained. Being open source means everyone can modify, extend, and personalize the Reachy Mini however they want. This open collaboration aims to foster innovation and creativity within the developer community. The Reachy Mini is targeted primarily at AI developers looking for a tactile platform to build, test, and refine AI applications in robotics. We envision countless developers creating unique apps and features specifically for Reachy Mini, sharing those contributions with the wider community, DeLange said. That way, anyone can easily use and enjoy a variety of plug-and-play add-ons, unleashing creativity on an unprecedented scale. The devices are set to begin shipping soon. Reachy Mini Lite is expected to ship next month, followed by the wireless model later this year. Hugging Face emphasizes the importance of delivering the robots quickly to buyers instead of engaging in a lengthy pre-order process with uncertain delivery dates. Getting these tools into users' hands promptly is a priority to accelerate development and feedback loops. This launch ties directly into Hugging Face's broader vision for robotics, creating open-source hardware that puts users in control rather than locking technology behind proprietary systems. For the future of robotics, open source is crucial, DeLange remarked passionately. Closed source, black box systems controlled by a handful of corporations are a troubling scenario. It's scary to imagine millions of robots in people's homes being managed by just one company, leaving users powerless and in the dark about what their machines are doing. I want to live in a world, or a society, where everyone has some control over their robots. This perspective raises important questions about autonomy, privacy, and innovation in robotics. Should robots be open for all to modify, or is there a risk in allowing unrestricted access? How can companies balance control and openness? Hugging Face's approach certainly challenges traditional robotics ecosystems and invites spirited debate. What do you think? Are open-source robots the future or a security risk? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. Becca is a senior writer at TechCrunch covering venture capital trends and startups, with previous experience at Forbes and the Venture Capital Journal. 2. Hugging Face Reachy Mini, $299 open-source AI robot unboxing and review. The future of AI is getting adorably personal. Hugging Face's bold bet on desktop robots pays off. In a stunning development that's reshaping how we interact with AI, Hugging Face's venture into consumer robotics has hit the ground running. The AI platform developer, traditionally known for its open-source AI model marketplace, has already secured $1 million in sales for its Reachy Mini robots in just 5 days since launch. But here's where it gets interesting. In a revealing episode of the Equity podcast, Hugging Face's co-founder and chief scientist Thomas Wolfe unveiled a vision that's markedly different from other robotics companies. While competitors like Figure and 1X are racing to create household helper robots, Hugging Face is taking a more playful approach, and it might just be genius. The Reachy Mini is an endearing desktop companion, featuring camera-equipped eyes, microphones, speakers, a bobbing head, and quirky antenna ears. But don't let its cute appearance fool you. This is essentially a powerful, hackable platform that Wolfe describes as a bit like an empty iPhone, suggesting enormous market potential. What's truly revolutionary is how Hugging Face is democratizing robotics. The device comes with preset applications but allows users to develop their own apps using open-source software that runs locally. And here's the part most people miss. Wolfe envisions creating an entire ecosystem of apps for Reachy Mini, similar to how smartphone app stores transformed mobile computing. The robot's viral success stems from two crucial factors: its approachable, friendly design and an accessible price point. Wolfe emphasizes that this accessibility is intentional. It's about making people comfortable with having robots in their homes and building trust. But here's where it gets controversial. The platform allows users to vibe code apps for their robots, opening up fascinating but potentially concerning possibilities. Hugging Face's broader strategy includes ambitious plans to transition from software to hardware, with hints at eventually developing full-size humanoid robots. The company's commitment to open-source AI in robotics mirrors the transformative role it played in software development, potentially disrupting traditional closed-source robotics systems. Key developments discussed in the podcast include the strategic acquisition of French robotics startup Pollen, their insistence on maintaining affordable price points, the critical role of privacy in consumer robotics and how open-source solutions address these concerns. But what do you think? Are desktop companion robots the gateway to wider consumer acceptance of AI, or should we be more cautious about bringing these devices into our homes? Share your thoughts on whether open-source robotics is the future or a potential security risk. The Equity podcast, produced by Teresa Loconsolo, releases new episodes every Wednesday and Friday, available on Apple Podcasts, Overcast, Spotify, and other major platforms. Follow at EquityPod on X and Threads for updates.